Good day everybody, my name is Chris Anthony Zuniega, aka Tony Saitinian. I am currently connected to one of the private schools here in the Philippines and I am teaching information technology education. I would like to introduce to you one of the tools that I am using in more than 5 years. So this tool is called Quizizz. Formerly Quizizz, now it's a Wayground. How to enter in this platform? So type in your browser wayground.com, and then after that it will ask you to enter or log in using your Google. Enter. Then once there, you will be able to see all of these contents. So we have the Explore, Library, Reports, Classes, Accommodation, Wayground, and Create. So now, in case, for example, you are going to give an exam in a particular topic. For example, go to Explore, and then the type of the topic that you have is History of Computer, and then select Assessment. Assessment is a type of a test wherein you allow the students to take an exam online. For example, this design is publicly available. Then we will use this template. So play and then start. After that, you need to allow the students to scan later the QR code. But at first, we need to select as a teacher. It could be a classic mode, test mode, paper mode, and we have the mastery peak or teacher mode. Usually, I am using the teacher mode and the classic mode. And teacher mode is if you have a control and directly to your students. But in case you don't have a direct control, you can choose classic mode. And then so this page will allow you to check the participants of the quiz. So allow the students to scan this one, and all of the participants who enters in your platform will be able to see all of those participants right here. And then if started, okay, once it's done, you will be able to see the performance right here. And what's done, for example, ended, yes, and then go back to the reports. So go back to the reports tab, and then as you can see, I have already ended some of my quizzes conducted. For example, this one. Alright, so we have the 91% accuracy. So then completion rate and so on and so forth. And then we'll be able to as well download the file. Download, right? Alright. So the good thing is you will be able to see the analytics after the quizzes. So, and then you can give your feedback and so on and so forth. Speaking of feedback, we have the accommodation, where this tool allows you to assess your students that has a low performance. Alright, so now, given that you want to create your own materials, you can choose create, and then assessment, what type of material, assessment, lesson, interactive video, passage, and flashcards. So along the way, when you enter in this platform, you'll be able to explore all of these materials. Alright, so now let's do the wrap up. So now Wayground is a free for you guys, limited features, and I would like to recommend this tool for you as a teacher conducting a class. So thank you, and see you in our next video.